Do you want fix the problem not working in your app Squadbusters? Okay, we are going to the Squadbusters, okay, and you not work, okay, the app. Okay, go to the solution, okay, go to the configuration on your phone, okay, and here you go to the applications, okay, in the option applications for the Android, or for the iPhone go to the scrolling down and go to the Squadbusters, okay, the application Squadbusters, okay, and here, okay, you click in Squadbusters and you deactivate this option, okay, and for the Android you okay, the clear cache, okay, and you go down and go to the application Squadbusters, okay, and you solve the problem, okay, and bye bye.